Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Control and Coordination, and in that we are studying topic Reflex Action. If suppose your hand is lit by fire, you will take your hand back. That's reflex action. So let's study about it today. Whenever you place your hand or your leg in fire, what is the immediate reaction that you're going to do? Obviously, you're going to take your hands back. That sudden response or the sudden jerk or the sudden involuntary action is termed as reflex action, and it's basically controlled by your spinal cord. Since the information, if it reaches the brain and the brain will give back a response, there are various regions in brain, and you don't know where the information is going to reach, how the brain and in how much time the brain is going to react back. So the information or the stimuli is sent to your spinal cord, and the spinal cord processes it and send back to your neurons of your body to take immediate action. Reflex action. Now, if we thoroughly study and find out about reflex action, what we can say is that if you catch fire on your hand, that's your sensory organ. Immediately when fire catches your hand, the sensory organs, the information will be carried by sensory nerves to your spinal cord, and they will process that information. Then by motor nerves, immediately the information will get back to your muscles and you will take your hands back, which is the effector movement. That's reflex action. So reflex action is always a sudden, automatic action that is brought into picture whenever an external stimuli like a fire on hand, or while crossing your road if the vehicle is at speed, or if somebody is tapping. Such actions, the response that's given is reflex action. It's basically controlled by spinal cord because brain is busy in other activities at that point of time. Now receptors are kind of receiving signal. They pass it to your sensory neurons, and once that's done, the spinal cord takes the decisive action at that point. It sends the information to other motor neurons, and once that is associated, finally your effector organs does the function and removes your hand in case of fire, or if you accidentally touch a open switch alarm or a fire thing. So students, in this part of the chapter we came across reflex action and how does that work. I hope it's very clear to you. Thank you.